Hello YouTube. I actually recorded some audio with the video while I was cooking on this instant barbecue grill. You can see how it turned out. I must have had a setting wrong in the camera. So to recap, I discovered this instant barbecue grill in England while we were visiting about a month ago, and I ordered 5 from eBay. I finally got around to cooking on it, and I wanted to see how it turns out. As you can see, I elected to use 2 bricks as a foundation to keep the grill off the ground. After removing the packaging, you can see some of the lump coal got into the clear plastic on the cardboard. So I just took that charcoal and poured it back into the grill. After removing the clear plastic and the cardboard tray, it is time to light the grill. We place the lighter on the edge of the paper, which is infused with some kind of flammable material, and the grill lights up. This portion of the video is sped up 2 times, but it doesn't take long for the fire to catch. The instructions call for you to wait 20 minutes before cooking any meat. I probably waited a little bit over 15 minutes. This is about the 14-minute mark after lighting the grill. As you can see, there are some flames that are still poking out. I think they suggest that you wait until the flames are all out before you put the meat on top of the grill. So at about the 15-16 minute mark, I decided to throw the steak on top of the grill. They actually call the coal lump coal, and at this point it's pretty hot, and I like to flip the steak over. As you can see, I had a little bit of trouble with the steak sticking to the mesh. With the power of editing, I flipped the steak over a couple more times, and then I remove it from the grill. I usually like my steaks pretty much on the well done side, but this was probably closer to medium. The total cook time, I'm going to say, was about 15-20 minutes. Here's what the steak looked like off the grill and plated. With the remaining time left, with the coals being hot, I decided to throw a couple of hamburgers on the grill. At this point, the coals are definitely losing their intensity, and it's taking a long time to cook these burgers. On this particular grill, it claims that the coals burn for about an hour. And I'm gonna say that's pretty accurate. And when cooking these burgers, I probably removed them from the grill a little bit too soon. I probably could have used cooking them a little bit longer. The next few pictures are the instructions that come with the grill. This grill definitely serves a purpose. If you want something quick and easy with no fuss and no cleaning and want to cook just a few hot dogs and hamburgers, this grill's for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider joining the channel family. Thank you.